So it's got the 6 main LEDs in the middle, but let's have a look at it. The company who actually make it is a company called LE, which stands for Lighting Ever. They seem to make some quality products, so let's have a look at this one. So in the box, you get your usual sort of quick start guide and happy, unhappy sort of thing. Chuck that to the side. And then this is the actual thing itself. So it's quite a nice size. So it's not too bad, all in all. The remote control that you do get, you don't get with it directly, but you can get an additional one. It's entirely up to you if you want to use that, because with me, I just tend to use my mobile phone, so what's the point in paying extra to get something? With this though, it is IP65 water resistant, so it means it can't take being submerged, but it can take getting wet. So outside of the house, lighting up the house, that sort of thing, it's fantastic for. It's really well made, so you've got glass on the front, you can hear that. And then on the back, you've got this part, which then means you can secure it into the ground however you want. It's really, really well made, so it's all steel, it feels like. Really, really good. So it's got a 10 watt LED bulb. The only issue I do have is with the length of the cable. It's not a huge cable, so it's literally that long. So it's about 1 meter, if that. It would be lovely to see a longer cable, because if you do use it outside, you want a long cable because it's water resistant. You're not going to be able to get water resistant cables unless you pay a lot of money to get one of the proper extension leads, or you pay a lot of money to have the outdoor ones where you can just plug it in. I would have loved to have seen that, but let's see how bright it actually is. So as you can see, it sort of cycles through its various sort of patterns, and it is pretty bright. So yeah, that's the Ilux LE floodlight. You can connect up to 50 in unison if you wanted to, so you have got that option as well. It does mean syncing them all together with your mobile phone though, but they have to be within a 10-meter radius also to do this. So it's a fantastic idea, and I think it is the future for like outside lighting. However, the lead is just a bit of a letdown, but don't let that put you off. If you need a controllable LED floodlight, go ahead and get this one.